In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Maps Google Calendar. First, open your web browser and head to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access your apps. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. From that menu, choose Calendar to open Google Calendar in a new tab. Once Calendar loads, look to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical side panel with several icons. If the panel is hidden, look for a small arrow near the bottom right to expand it. In that side panel, click the Maps icon. This opens a compact Google Maps view right inside Calendar, so you can look up places without leaving your schedule. In the Maps panel, you can type an address directly into the search box. As you type, Maps will suggest matches. Choose the correct one to see it pinned on the map with basic details. This is especially useful when you're checking a meeting venue or confirming an address before you plan your day. If you want more accurate nearby results, consider allowing location access in your browser when prompted. You'll also notice quick suggestions right under the search fields. These include common categories like groceries, takeout, and hotels. Click one to instantly see nearby options on the map. This is great for quickly finding a place to grab lunch between meetings or a hotel near an event you're attending. You can scroll through the results, click an option to view more information, and use the map controls to zoom in and out for a better look at the area. If you're looking for something specific, like a nearby pharmacy, type pharmacy in the search bar, or click the related suggestion if you see it. Maps will show nearby pharmacies based on your location or the area you're viewing. From there, you can compare distances and choose the most convenient option. A couple of tips to make this smoother. If results seem off, zoom the map toward the neighborhood you care about, then refine your search. And if you need a larger view or more details like full directions, look for the option to open the place in the full Google Maps experience in a new tab. That's it. Using Maps in Google Calendar helps you verify addresses, explore nearby options, and plan smarter without leaving your schedule. Thanks for watching, and feel free to practice these steps the next time you're organizing your day.